if there's anybody that can make me eat sardines, it's Jo Bell. I'm sure she'll do something amazing with them. But in general, not a big fan of sardines. So show me what you got, Jo.
We have. I'm gonna use 2 cans of Ligo sardines, spicy one.
Oh, spicy? Well, that's
you
good.
can use the
All
green one if you want, but
they're
one
like big ones. Pretty
but
big
like
sardines.
I like spicy, so
Yeah.
we use it's 2.
Oh,
It's
okay.
red.
See, I was expecting the little sardines you get in like the can, the flat can.
No,
These are bigger.
like a Filipino style
Okay,
sardines. So
gotcha. So,
just mash it up, the 2 sardines with sauce.
what is the sauce made of? Oh, it's the sauce that came in the. Okay. 1 egg.
Add 1 egg, large 1 egg, and then whisk well until combined together.
So we got some kind of sauce, and we got broken up pieces of fish, and an egg. That's what we got so far.
And now I have a 1/3 cup of shredded carrots and 1/4 cup of celery and 2 tablespoons of shredded white onion.
Wow, you really shredded the heck out of that onion.
Yeah, shredded already.
Okay, so when you told me to buy carrots at the grocery store, I guess now I understand why you wanted the big ones. Because shredding those little tiny carrots that I bought you must not have been fun.
If you saw me earlier,
you see,
but it's
okay,
not
so that's
fun.
flour. We'll get back to the carrots in a second.
Okay, 1 cup of all-purpose flour.
That's just a cup?
Half tablespoon of baking powder, salt and crushed peppercorn to taste. Half a tablespoon of liquid seasoning, like
Liquid
Mamacita's brand,
Okay.
and mix
all
it
right.
up like that.
Interesting.
Mix well until combined,
Okay.
like that.
All right. So we're going to make some kind of sardine balls.
Yeah, but before that, I realized to add what do you call it? Cornstarch.
Oh, cornstarch. Thicken it up a little bit.
Yeah, I realized. I forgot to add cornstarch, so
Oh.
I'm gonna add up
Do that now. Do that now.
Two
There's no time like the present.
2 tablespoons of
2
cornstarch.
tablespoons, and that just thickens it right up, so you can start forming these into balls of fish paste.
No, I don't usually touch it to make ball. Just
Oh, okay.
throw
just
it
like
up.
Drop it.
Like I used to spoon or. This is my technique.
Oh.
I used to stick. So
So just like a skewer, you take a skewer and put it in there. If it sizzles, it's ready.
yeah, this
All
like
right.
a
So this is just a ball, and we're frying it. No coating or anything at all.
No
Part of the
coating.
flour and
No
the
coating.
corn. Okay. Cornstarch.
You just
So-
drop it.
All right. About what is that? A 1-inch ball, kind of.
I don't know. I estimate. I use the soup spoon that like that, like that.
Okay. So, but it makes about a 1-inch ball.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Estimate the size and I'm
Okay.
happy with it.
All right. And
Alright.
they look like they're frying up nicely.
So I fry it up like in medium heat. I don't use medium high. I don't cook or fry in medium high heat. Just medium heat. So slowly cook, but it took 4 to 5 minutes.
4 to 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Usually.
So I bet you these would be good dipped in that sauce that you made for the duck eggs. And if you haven't seen the duck egg video, go back and watch that one too, because that was good.
Then the sauce,
And
make
use
the
the
sauce.
Make that sauce in that video and use it for these. I bet you that would be
It's
delicious.
really good.
Yeah. So make sure you guys check out the duck egg video. And
Usually you will see it like lift up a little bit. So like
it starts to float. a
yeah,
little more.
float a little bit.
Okay.
So you will
That's
see it's
interesting.
cooked.
Yeah, because it did kind of look like they started to float a little bit there. That's a good tip. So they look pretty crunchy on the outside. Are they like creamy on
Just
the inside?
repeat the rest, and now ready.
Bum, bum, bum.
bum,
Let's see if
bum.
there's any steam.
It's
Yeah,
cooked
look at that
well.
steam. There's steam. A little. Come on. There it is.
Haha.
There's the focus.
It's delicious. Delicious. It's crunchy.
Well, so what do you eat these with? Is it just like an appetizer or is it-
Appetizer.
Oh, okay.
Usually looks appetizer.
Huh. Salty? Is it salty?
No, not much.
But spicy.
Spicy.
Okay.
Not much spicy for me.
Not too spicy.
Not too spicy. So,
How many do we have left?
we still have half of it.
Oh, okay.
So,
I'm gonna see how they are in the microwave. I'm gonna heat some up tomorrow, and then I'll try them. But
alright, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And before that, click like and see you guys next time.